Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. For listen to the inshallah second lesson of trigonometry systems of measuring angles, degree measure and radian measure. We studied before degree measure of any angle is degree, and degree equals 60 minutes and 1 minute equal 60 seconds. The second system is radian measure of an angle. Here, if I have the circle M and ME equal MB radii, and also MC equal MD2 radii in the greatest circle here. Circle M, the smallest and the greatest are concentric, have the same center. ME, MD2 radii in the first circle, MC equal MD, the 2 radii in second circle. If the length of the arc AB, we studied the meaning of arc AB in grade 9. Arc of AB, it is a part of a circle. Here, the length of arc AB over the length of the radius of this circle ME equal the length of arc CD in the greatest circle over the length of the radius of this circle MC or MD. Again, the length of arc AB in smallest circle over the length of the radius of this circle equals the length of CD, the arc CD in second circle over the length of radius of this circle. All of them equal constant. Then theta radian equal L over R. Theta radian. Theta here is the central angle, and L is the length of arc, R is the radius of the circle. Again, if I wanted to find theta radian, theta is the central angle subtended the arc L, and the radius of this circle equal R, then theta radian equal L over R, the measure of this angle by radian, the new system. Here, the unit of the measurement of the radian angle is 1 radian. And the first system is 1 degree. 1 degree. The second system of measuring angle is radian. 1 radian. And theta radian equal L over R. L is the length of arc, subtended central angle, and R is the radius of the circle. Here, it is a central angle in a circle subtended an arc of the length equals the length of the radius of the circle. 1 radian is the unit of measurement of radian angle. For example, find the radian measure of the central angle which subtended an arc of length 15 centimeter in a circle of radius length 10 centimeter. Here, I want to find the radian measure, theta radian. I have the length of arc here is 15 and R is 10. Then theta radian equal L over R. Theta radian is the radian measure of central angle subtended the arc L, its length 15, and the radius of the circle is 10. Then the theta radian, it will be 1.5 radian. The unit here is radian. 1.5 radian. Second example, find the length of an arc in a circle of radius of length. The radius here is 8. If the measure of the central angle subtended by it's 7 pi over 12 approximately to the nearest 100. Find the length of arc. I need the length of arc. Length of arc is L. And the radius here is 8. And the theta radian is given 7 pi over 12. Then theta radian equal L over R. Theta radian here 7 pi over 12. 7 pi over 12. Substitute by 7 pi over 12 equal L, the length of arc. I want to find it. And R is 8, the radius of the circle. I will make cross multiplication, then L equal 8 times 7 pi over 12, approximately equal 14.66. Here, the relation between the radian and the degree measure. If I have the circle M and MA, MB2 radii here, the measure of the arc AB, minor arc AB, over the measure of all the circle. Measure of the circle equals 360. Then I will take a part of the circle, the arc AB, measure of arc AB, over the measure of the circle, or the circle equals 360, equal the length of this arc, over the length of the circle. Length of the circle here mean the circumference of this circle, equal to pi r. Again, measure of arc AB over measure of the circle, equal length of this arc over the length of the circle, and denoted by the circumference to pi r. Here, measure of arc AB also equals the measure of central angle AMB. Again, measure of arc AB equals the measure of central angle subtended this arc, then measure of angle AMB over 360 equal the length of arc AB, it will be L, and over 2 pi r. 2 pi, or I will simplify, divided by 2, then x degree, or measure of a central angle AMB, I will denote it by x degree over 180 equals theta radian over pi. From where theta radian over pi? Here, L over pi, or L over r, theta radian, and over pi. Again, what is the relation between the radian and the degree measure? The measure of the arc AB over the measure of the circle, 360, equal length of this arc over the length of the circle. It's 2 pi r. Then measure of arc AB also equals the measure of central angle AMB subtended this arc over 360. Length of arc is L over 2 pi r. I will simplify, divided by 2, then here I will replace measure of AMB by x degree. The two is the same, x degree over 180 equal L over pi r, and I have L over r equals theta radian. Then x degree over 180 degree equals theta radian over pi. Then the relation between the radian and the degree measure is x degree, this is the measure of central angle, subtended the arc, over 180 equals theta radian, the measure of angle by radian system, over pi, approximately equal 22 over 7. For example, find the nearest thousandth, the radian measure of the angle whose degree measure is 75 degrees 32 minutes 15 seconds. Here I have the degree measure. I wanted to find the radian measure. I have the rule x degree over 180 over is equals theta radian over pi. Then x degree I will write 75 degrees 32 minutes 15 seconds over 180 degree equals theta radian. I wanted to find it over pi. Okay, theta radian equals pi times the measure of angle by degree over 180. It will be approximately equal nearest to 2000, 1.318, and the unit of this measure is the radian. Then it will be 1.318 radian. Find the degree measure of the angle whose radian measure is 2.38 radian. I have here radian system or radian measure. I wanted to find degree. Then I will write the rule x degree over 180 equal theta radian over pi x degree. I want to find it 180 over 180 equal radian 2.38 over pi. I will do a cross multiplication x degree equal 2.38 times 180 over pi. It will be 136 degrees, 21 minutes, 50 seconds. Remark, pi in radian is equivalent to 180 degrees. Pi in radian is equivalent to 180 degrees. The second, if it is required to convert from degree measure into radian measure in terms of y, then we use the formula x degree over 180 equals theta radian over pi without substitute with pi. Okay, here don't change pi by 22 over 7. It will be pi. Complete. Here, the angle of the measure 5 pi over 3 lies in the quadrant. Here, I have this angle by radian, 5 pi over 3. I will convert it to degree to find the angle in which quadrant. 5 pi over 3 pi is equivalent to 180. Then 5 times 180 divided 3 equal 300. 300 in fourth quadrant. The angle of measure negative 0.3 pi lies in the what quadrant? Here, this angle is in radian because I have pi, and this angle is negative. I will convert this angle to degree by multiply this angle by 180. Replace pi by 180. Then negative 0.3 times 180 equal negative 54. Here I have this angle by negative. I find it by positive. And to find the positive angle of this negative, I will add 360. 360 to find the positive. It will be 306 in the fourth quadrant also. Again, the measure of angle negative 0.3 pi lies in which quadrant? Here, this angle is in radian system. I will convert it to degree. Pi multiply negative 0.3 by 180 equals negative 54. Here I have negative. I will find the positive angle by add 360. It will be 306 in fourth quadrant. The angle of the measure 5.7 radian lies in which quadrant? Here I have this angle in radian system. I will convert it to degree. How to convert it to degree? By use the relation between degree and radian system. By the rule x degree over 180 equals theta radian over pi. I want to find x degree. Then x degree over 180 equal 5.7 over pi. It will be 326 degrees 35 minutes and 9 seconds. This is in the fourth quadrant. The angle of the measure negative 6.4 radian. Here, this angle is in radian. I will convert it to degree by use the rule x degree over 180 equals theta radian over pi, and substitute pi negative 6.4. Here I will get negative angle. I wanted to find the positive angle. I will multiply it. I will add it by 360. Then I will also get negative angle. I will add another one plus 360 to get the positive. It will be 350. 3 degree 18 minutes and 25 seconds. This angle in the fourth quadrant. Find the length of the arc subtended by the central angle whose measure is 152 degrees 26 minutes 17 seconds, drawn in a circle of a radius length, or here is 10.5, approximating the result to the nearest centimeter. I want to find the length of arc. Length of arc is L. I have here the measure of angle, but in degree and radius. If I wanted to find L, I have the rule theta radian equal L over R, but I don't have the measure of angle by radian. I will convert the degree by radian by the rule x degree over 180 equals theta radian over pi. I will get the measure of angle by radian system. It will be 2.66. Here I have the measure of angle by radian. Then theta radian equal L over R. I want to find L. Then L equal theta radian times R. R here is 10.5. Then the result, it will be approximately E nearest to centimeter is 28. Again, here I have the measure of angle by degree. And I have the radius of circle equal 10.5. I wanted to find L. What is the rule between theta radian L and R? Theta radian equal L over R, but I have R only, and the measure of angle by degree. I will convert from radian to degree by use this rule. X degree over 180 equals theta radian over pi. I will substitute by the data I have. Then theta radian equal 152 degree 26 minutes 17 seconds times pi over 180. It will be 2.66. Theta radian L over R, then L equal theta radian times L. It's approximately to the nearest centimeter equals 28. Find each of the radian and the degree measure of the central angle subtended arc 12.6 centimeter and its radius 7.2. Here I want to find the degree and the radian measure. I have the length of arc and the radius. If I want to find the theta radian, so use the rule theta radian equal L over R. Then theta radian equal L over R equal 12.6 over 7.2 to find the measure of angle by radian. And I will convert this angle from radian to degree by using the rule x degree over 180 equals theta radian over pi. Then x degree equal 1.75 times 180 divided by equal 100 degree 16 minutes and 3 seconds. Again, theta radian equal L over R. I will substitute by L and R to find theta radian. I want to find the degree by using the rule between the x degree and the theta radian. X degree over 180 equals theta radian over pi. I will substitute to find x. Find the circumference of the circle that has the inscribed angle of the measure 30 degrees subtending an arc of length 5. The given data here is degree, the measure of central angle by degree, 30 degree, and the length of arc is 5. I wanted to find circumference. Circumference equals 2 by R. I wanted to find the R. Here, 30 degree and 5. What is the rule between the degree and the length of arc? I don't have, but I have the length, the relation between radian and L and R. The first, convert the angle from degree to radian by using the rule x degree over 180 equal theta radian over pi. 30 over 180 equal theta radian over pi. To find the measure of angle by radian, it will be pi over 3. And theta radian equal L over R. Theta radian here is pi over 3, and the length of arc is 5. To find the R, then R equal 3 times 5 over pi. Then it will be 15 over pi. And to find circumference, 2 pi r, I will multiply 2 times pi times the radius here is 15 over pi, it will be 30. Again, convert the measure of angle from degree to radian by using this rule. Then theta radian by over 3. How to find the length of radius? By the rule theta radian L over R. I have theta radian and I have L. Then radius equal L over theta radian. Then the radius equal 3 times 5 over pi equals 15 over pi. And the circumference of the circle 2 pi r. Then 2 pi times 15 over pi equals 30 centimeters. Here, two angles, the sum of their measure 3 and 1 over 7 radian. And the difference between their degree measure 30 degree. Find the measure of each of them in degree and in the radian. Here I have two angles. The sum of them is in degree in the radian measure, and the difference between them in degree measure. I will convert the angles, two angles, to radian measure or to degree measure, as you want. Here I have the sum of them by radian, and I have the difference between them by degree. I will convert from radian to degree by using this rule, x degree over 180 equals theta radian over pi. I will convert the sum of the two measures in degree measure. Then x degree equal 3, 1, and 7. 1 over 7 equals 21 over 7 times 180 divided by. Then x degree equal 180. Then the sum of their measure in degree 180. And I have the difference between them in degree is 30 degree. Then I will form two equations. The sum of two angles, x plus y. Let the first angle is x and second is y. The sum between them equals 180 and the difference between them equals 30. Then x minus y equals 30. I will solve the two equations together. Then to x, I will add x plus x and equal to x. Y minus y is 0. 180 plus 30 equal to 110. I will divide by 2 to the both sides. Then x equal 105. This is the first degree. To find the second degree by substitute in one of the two equations. Here, then y equals 75 degree. I have the measure of the two angles in degree. I want to convert it to radian by using the rule. X degree over 180 equal theta radian over pi. The first angle 105 over 180 equal x radian or theta radian over pi. Then x by radian degree by radian measure equal 1.83. And also convert the second angle by, or I have here the sum of the two angles by radian. Here I have one of them. I want to find the second. Subtract 3 and 1 over 7 minus 1.83 to get the second angle. Example 10, in the opposite figure, find the length of measure BC. What is the meaning of measure arc BC? I have two arc, minor BC, the smallest one, and the greatest one is called major BC, major arc BC, to the nearest integers. Here I have the radius is 6 and MB also 6, ME as 12. Here AB is the tangent, then the measure of this angle is 90. This side 6 and this 12. I want to find the length of AB. AB is 12 power 2 minus 6 power 2 to get AB. MC equal half MA, because C is 90 degree and 6 is half the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse in the triangle ACM is MA. And if the side length equal half the hypotenuse, then the side, the opposite to this side, the angle, it will be 30. Then measure of angle MAC is 30. MAC. Again, this triangle MCA is right because AC is a tangent. And the length of this side 6 equal half the length of the hypotenuse. Then the angle opposite to this side equals 30. This is the fact. 30. Then measure of angle CAM 30. Then the measure of angle CME equal 60 degree. I want to find the length of the arc BC. Here, this angle is 60. Then the measure of central angle here is 120. 120. And the measure of central angle BMC, subtended the measure, it will be 360 minus 120 equal to 240. The reflex of CMB, again, this angle is 120 and its reflex equal to 140. I want to find the length of the arc, the major arc BC. I have central angle and I have the length of radius. I wanted to find L. Then theta radian equal here. Theta radian equal L over R. I don't have the measure of angle by radian. I will convert from degree to radian by using this rule. 240 over 180 equals theta radian over pi. Then theta radian equals 4 pi over 3. Then theta radian equal L over R. I have theta radian 4 pi over 3 and the radius is 6. To find the length of the major arc equal L equals theta radian times R equal 25 centimeters. Again, I wanted to find the length of this major arc. I wanted to find at first the length of the measure of central angle by radian, but I have the measure of this angle by degree. From degree, convert it to radian. Here, this right angle triangle, the 6 of the hypotenuse, then measure of this angle 30, and the measure of angle CMA 60, then measure of central angle BMC is 60 times 100 times 2 equal 120, and its reflex equals 240. I will convert from degree to radian by using the rule. And then theta radian 4 pi over 3. Theta radian equal L over R, then L, I wanted to find it, equals theta radian times R equal to 25 centimeters. Thank you.